What's up, guys? I wanted to come out here during another one of my night videos and just talk with you guys about a few things. And some of you guys out there that are regulars here know that I occasionally come out during the night and do a video like this. I like coming outside sometimes when the weather's nice. It's not real cold. It's just a fairly nice evening this afternoon, and not very late at the time of the recording this video. But what I wanted to talk about, so let's just jump right into it, is the way that things are going these days. And I know a lot of people are getting stressed over how things are going economically and how things are going with themselves financially, and it's unfortunate with the way that things are in this day and age. But what I wanted to do in this video is just encourage you just to occasionally take some time to enjoy what you have, to enjoy your family, to enjoy the things around you. You know, I was sitting down in my basement just a bit ago before the sun set, and I was doing some work on my website, boomsticktacticalgear.com. You guys go check it out. And what I was doing, basically, I noticed just how things were outside with all of the colors, with the fall colors, just everything showing the way that it is. And sometimes you just got to take a moment to enjoy those things. It's real easy to get caught up in trying to make a living, and I know I'm guilty of it myself, but it's real easy to get caught up in trying to make a living and forget that you got to make a life. You got to enjoy the life that we have, that God gives us on this earth. It's a limited time, and do good to those around you, help those around you where you can, and just simply take time to enjoy a cup of coffee or tea or whatever, watch the sunset, watch time with your family, and just enjoy it. The stresses that we each have in life are meaningless when it comes to certain things. I think about the folks that are still suffering from the hurricane and what they're going through, and it's still such a tragedy. And so many of us have so many things that we need to be thankful for, that we need to be much more thankful than what we are. God gives each of us gifts. He gives us the gift of life, and He is the one that can sustain us through those hard times when they do come. And I think it's important for us to take the time to remember those things, especially with the way things are these days. Economic times are hard for a lot of folks. It's horrible. There's people that are struggling, families that are struggling with the way that things are going in our country. Those things, who knows what's going to happen in the future. But, at the same time, guys, it's time to de-stress a bit. Relax, try to take a little bit of time to enjoy an afternoon watching whatever, looking at the trees. Like I mentioned earlier, just looking at the trees, something simple, things that you enjoy. Spend time at the gun range. It's something else that I enjoy myself, obviously. And if where you can, try to find the little enjoyments in each day. Don't stress as much. But guys, this is just a rambling video. Videos like this don't really get a lot of viewership. I've got a few of you guys out there that are regulars. Shan Man, Terry, Gary, you guys, I really appreciate you guys for what you do. Just all of you guys out there that are that small group that are here for all of my videos regularly. And you guys are the ones that really, really keep me going on this. And I just appreciate you guys. And any of you guys that stumble across this video that are new here, go over to my main channel, check it out. If you love guns, outdoors, things like that, that's what this channel is about. And that's what I do here. But anyways, guys, it's just a little bit of a rambling video. Just thought I'd take a few minutes enjoying the night. It's kind of nice out here on my property at this time of night. And weather's warm, weather's nice. Get about bonfire time. That's something that I might do here before long. And anyways, guys, I'm just rambling on here, so I'll let y'all go. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Be sure to visit my website. Check out all the videos, just all of it. Anything you want to do, check out the links down below. And we'll see you next time, guys.